Welcome to my channel. My name is Keisha. We're going to take out the old K-tips, install invisible K-tips. My client came in and she wanted to change the hair texture. The biggest inquiry of people asking, does K-tips damage your natural hair? No, if it's installed professionally and removed professionally, you can definitely see the client still has her hair. It's full, it's not damaged, and you can see the hair is not collected on the This is my Kinky Curl in my Luxe Raw Hair collection. So we're doing a texture match, and I'm gonna go ahead and trim her ends because healthy hair care comes first. Your foundation is everything when you install your K-tips because you want to make sure that your K-tips are not visible. It is important to me to do a virtual consultation so I know how to customize your K-tips to the density of your natural hair. Some people like their K-tips to be installed underneath the natural hair. Some people like to install the K-tip on top of the natural hair. Either or, as long as the bond is covering the client's natural hair and the K-tip bond is not visible. As you can see, you can barely see where the K-tips are installed. I definitely love this. So when the client moves her hair around, you will not be able to see where the K-tip begins or where it ends. Every K-tip that's installed in my client's hair, I customize my K-tips personally. I do the micro K-tips in the front of my client's hair because I feel like the more bulky it is, the more uncomfortable it can be. So if the wind blows, this looks like it is attached to her scalp. This is one of my favorite parts where definitely how the K-tips can blend so well with the natural hair. You just do a little bit of comb over, do your parting, and then you would never know that there is extensions installed in her hair. Honestly, you would think this is all her hair. Believe it or not, you know what we seen earlier. I installed her invisible K-tips. This is the kinky curl. As you can see, we can pull into a high bun. There is no bumps, no lumps, no nothing. Look like it's growing naturally out of her scalp. I'm going to add leave-in conditioner to her hair. I definitely was thinking about taking her back to the shampoo bowl and wetting her hair all the way down so her natural hair can blend in more seamlessly, and I feel like it would have been less work to do. So I'm showing that I put a gel in her hair using detangling brush because we do not want to pull heavy on those K-tips, and naturally it blends in with her hair. And the client is wearing 16 inches of kinky curl hair, and definitely love how it blends in with her natural curly hair. This hair can be worn in its natural state, or you can blow dry it straight. Client prefers to have her hair cut into a bob. Please like, share, and subscribe. Thank you for watching.